Fly babies, good morning. It's time for your routines. Rise and shine, shake your tail feathers. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, so it's Errand Day. So for our 3-layer cake today, we have routines, we have Errand Day, and we have the living room, the zone. So we're going to start with our routines. Everyone, get up before the family, do your morning routine. Take care of yourself. Do this with love. Don't do this in a way that says, I hate getting up early and doing this stuff. Say, you know what, it is an honor and a pleasure to care for myself. I'm going to get up with focus and take care of myself. So get up in the morning, get dressed, brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize your skin, fix your hair, put a little makeup on, a little jewelry, a little perfume, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, make the bed, empty the dishwasher. Make yourself a little tea and toast or whatever it is you want for breakfast, and then go and get your children up and get your family roused and ready for the day, and they'll do their morning routines, which is so simple. Make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put on your clothes, put your PJs away or in the dirty clothes, wipe the sink out and hang up your towel, come to the kitchen and have breakfast. That's it. Now in the morning you're going to do a clutter check with your children, and if you're a mess, then you're going to do a clutter check behind yourself or behind your husband as well. And you know what? It's your choice whether you pick it up for them or they pick it up themselves. My opinion is that you need to educate and share that you want the house tidy and that everyone has a role in this. But it's your call. All right, after that, we're going to go our ways. Okay, so our fly babies who are payroll lions are going to go to work, and our at-home fly babies are going to continue on with your program. So fly babies at home, you're going to put your laundry in, you're going to go through an inch of paper, and by the way, congratulations to all of you who have told me that your paper is in control, that you don't have paper clutter anymore. I'm so proud of you. For the rest of you, I want you to know that you can do that too. All right, make sure you listen for your laundry. Put it in the dryer when it's done with washing, and you're not washing it, scrubbing it on a rock or whatever. You know, the machine's doing it while you go do something else. Put it in the dryer. After you've done that, keep your ears out because you want to fold it and put it away while it's warm and sweet. Yes. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is go to our routine. I mean our weekly plan. So our weekly plan is our weekly plan is errands. So that means grocery shopping today. You made your list yesterday, you looked at your budget, you know how much you can spend. It means going to the Goodwill and dumping off the stuff in the back of the car that you're in giveaway mode because you have been cleaning out the clutter in your home. Going to the library, going to the post office, whatever you need to do, now's the time. Go buy that birthday gift, those cards, whatever. So that's what you're going to do. Also, don't forget this morning when you get up to take a look at your planner. Even though you looked at it last night, look at it again. Make sure you're looking at the right day. Make sure you dress for the right day, okay? All right, next thing we're going to do is come home and put the groceries away. Prep your veggies, all the stuff you want to do, and then later you'll start dinner, and that's it. Payroll lines, you're going to go to work, and you're going to say hello to everyone, get out your control journal, and work through that. When you have a break, when you have lunch, you can go ahead and order your groceries. Now here at my parents' house, I don't like to leave my mother alone. I already had to take her to my Weight Watcher meeting today to weigh in. Go see my Weight Watcher videos, Weight Watchers with FlyLady Kat, linked below, and you can see how I'm doing. But I don't like to take her out too much, so I went ahead and ordered the groceries, and they're going to be delivered in the next hour or so, and I'm really excited about that. I've done that many times here. I think it's a great advantage. So if you're working, you can do that and have them delivered on Saturday or whenever you want them delivered. Maybe tonight you want them delivered. I don't know. It's your call. All right, so when you go home, now you've thought about on your breaks the weekly home blessing hour, how you're splitting that up for the week, if you need to give it to somebody to do or if you're going to do it yourself, and also the zone, which is the living room. So when you go home, you're going to start your laundry, go through your inch of paper, start supper, and then you're going to stop when your supper is simmering or whatever, holding, and go do that 20-25 minutes worth of work. So if you have to do the weekly home blessing hour, you've got 10 minutes there. because you're going to do one thing, and then go do for 15 minutes in your living room if you are decluttering. If you're not decluttering, you don't have to do 15 minutes in your living room. Just pick one thing and do it. So let's say you want to clean out under the cushions. That does not take 15 minutes. If it does, then stop at 15 minutes, okay? It's really not, and if you're going to do this over and over again, it'll be a 2-minute deal. It won't be anything. All right? Okay, so now let's go back to the kitchen, finish supper, get it on the table. Make sure you're washing your dishes as you go along, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to keep that sudsy sink full so that you don't leave a huge mess to clean up after dinner and you're not so exacerbated when you turn around and go, right? You're not so... Make sure that you keep a sudsy sink full of water so that when you're done with dinner and you turn around, you're not so upset because your kitchen is such a mess. So do that. It'll make a big difference. And let me know if you're doing that. I really like to hear your comments. So after dinner, everyone takes part in this together. We're a family and we're all doing it. All of our kids are being encouraged by each of the CEOs to do their work. And then after dinner, we're going to do our before bed routines. That includes, for you, running the dishwasher and looking at your planner. If you're tired, do yours first. Do the kids next. Do the kids first if you're not tired. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. And always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.